Hi, welcome. In this video, we will see how to install 64-bit Power BI desktop for Windows. To install the Power BI desktop, first we have to check our system configuration. To do that, in the search bar, you can search for system information. You see, you can double click on the system information. Here you will see, so what is our system? Whether it is a 64-bit or a 34-bit. So my system is 64-bit. So most of the systems uses 64-bit only. So we are going to install the 64-bit desktop Power BI, right? To install the Power BI, you can go to any web browser. For example, I am using Chrome. So here you can search for Power BI desktop download 64-bit. So once you click on enter, you notice the first link, that is the Power BI, I mean Microsoft official website. If you can click on here in the first link, notice this page will open up, and then here you have to select your language, so English, and you can click on the download option. So once you click on the download option, notice this. It is asking for which version of Power BI desktop you are going to install. You can select the Power BI 64-bit and then click on download. So within a couple of minutes, Power BI desktop will be installed. So I already downloaded this file. So I can click on here, open the file, the one which I have downloaded. So once you click on the installation file, and this installation pop-up will appear, and you can click on next option. So it will ask, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Sorry, yes. So once you click on yes, it will say it will take couple of seconds to install the Power BI, and then so here you have to click on the next option, and then you have to select the accept terms and condition and click on next, and it will ask where you want to install the Power BI desktop. So I'm going to install the Power BI desktop in my desktop. Click on next and create a desktop shortcut. Okay, you can check that and click on install. Once the installation is completed, you have to click on the finish button. See, you notice Power BI desktop is successfully installed in my machine, right? So you can double click on the Power BI. So within couple of seconds, Power BI desktop will open in your PC. So since it is first time, right, it will take some time. So next time onwards, so it will load all the installation files, and it will get refreshed, right? So you can open quickly. See, see, notice that Power BI desktop is installed, right? You can close this option, and you can work on Power BI data files. So I hope this video is useful to you. So going forward, I'm going to upload all Power BI tips and tricks. So make sure to subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon. Whenever I publish a new video, we'll get the notification. Thanks for watching.